Model, 55-plate Ford Transit 2.4 TDI 115 PS. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 42,521. Engine, 2,402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Run perfect on easy start, not enough pressure getting to injectors, definitely worth repairing. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys, camper conversion. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.